Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So in my case, I will use the Google Chrome browser. However, no worries, because this operation of removing the data from it is basically similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find out and figure out how to remove the data from your browser based on this tutorial. So first of all, let me enter the Chrome, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. In some browsers you will have to enter the settings and then find the history. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove some of them just by using this X button right next to it. Of course, you can remove all of them this way. However, it may take a lot of time. It's time consuming. So if you want to remove everything, I highly recommend to simply enter clear browsing data, because here you can do it automatically. Basically, here in the basic section, you can remove the browsing history, cookies, save data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, you can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is right now empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.